500 tech contingency day, Brenthel Industries. We got all 6 trucks in line, ready to go through tech, ready to go race these things tomorrow.
Yeah, so qualifying went pretty well yesterday. I mean, I'm pretty new to the truck I'm in. It's the first time using paddle shifters, so kind of had some issues, but they're mainly just caused by myself not being able to tell what I'm doing. Other than that, it went really well. I mean, it's a fun course. It's got lots of jumps, which is kind of my thing. I really like hitting jumps. The bigger the jump, the better, in my opinion. And then, yeah, I didn't pre-run this, so we're gonna see how this goes. A little too busy this season to get down here on time, and gonna basically run off a memory from pre-running the 1000. Yeah, man, I'm pretty stoked. It should be a good day. We're down here with Brenthel Industries doing the rental program. This will be my 4th race rental. The team's great. I mean, like, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Jonathan and Jordan doing this. They make this so accessible. It's kind of like being able to, you know, get into an F1 car and go race F1. It's hilarious at the same time as it's the best thing ever. Like, I highly recommend if you can afford to do this, get in, try racing. You'll love the program, you'll love the guys, you'll love the team. Brenthel has a phenomenal program. I recommend it to everybody.
I got that for the phone one.
Oh, really?
We've been down here since last weekend pre-running. My car owner Sean Runyon did the first half about 4 times, and he's getting more comfortable in his equipment. And I did the second half once, very rocky, slow, technical. We're looking for a good day tomorrow. We all have day jobs, you know, and this isn't it. So we're all happy to be down here.
Amazing. I can't say enough about Brenthel Industries and the race trucks and what they do. It's great to be able to jump in here, bring your driver's suit. They help with the pre-running. You know, the truck's dialed in. You're full factory ride when you get down here with Brenthel. So great to see you guys jumping on that program, and you're in a good program for sure. And yeah, good luck to you guys out there, and can't wait to talk to you at your finish of your first Baja 500. So we'll see you here at the finish line.
See you here tomorrow night.
Yeah, well, you're dialed in. Go get it done, do work, be safe, and we'll see you back here at the finish line. Thank you. We got the DNA carpentry machine, David Ziegler and Paul Ziegler, but we got Matt behind the wheel. You work on this truck for Brenthel, and dude, you guys do so much for the team, but you gotta be stoked. You guys are back here in Baja, all the hard work down in that shop down there, and where you guys at in Paris, amazing facility. But you guys ready to go? This truck's dialed?
Truck's dialed in. We, between the last DK race and this race, did some upgrades, so hopefully we're gonna get some more speed out of this thing. And yeah, all the late nights and long days, worth it to be here.
You want to thank anybody for the team?
Yeah, of course. I want to thank all the guys at the shop that helped get the whole process of this thing down here and this thing ready to go for the race. I want to thank our shop manager, Ryan Collins. I want to thank the prep manager, Jeff Hitchner.
Down here, 39T, that's right. Andrew Herdman behind the wheel. Brenthel boys, oh, we got Jeff over here, Hitchner. What's up? Good to see those guys down here supporting so many great racers. Bringing it up for the team, another Brenthel employee that takes this thing down. This is your baby. You got this thing prepped. You guys ready?
Chuck Dempsey here at the 2026 Baja 500, out here in the Brenthel Warbucks truck, starting line, getting ready to go do the Baja 500.
feel good, we feel happy, feel comfortable with the track and with the team, and I think it's gonna be a good day. I think the first goal is to make it to 245 without any flat or something, just keep moving. And then once we go down to the desert, we can see where we're at and we can start pushing. The Brenthel team is always on the top. They make a great pit stop for us. So that's part of the race. That's how you win the races.
Good morning. We're having a great time already waiting in line, but we don't plan on waiting in line during the race. We kind of didn't do that. We did okay qualifying. We didn't wreck the truck, but I think our game plan is just pick off one person at a time and work our way up to the front, see what happens. Hopefully there's a little bit of gap once we pass a couple guys and get some fresh air. We're looking forward to that. Handing off the truck to my brother at 180 and he gets to do all the fun stuff.
Ready for race day or what?
Oh, we're excited to be down here in Baja. First time, Brenthel arrive and drive. We're gonna make it to the end. I'm Eric Brayson, this is Doug Dillard. We're gonna split the driving duties, maybe a quarter, swap out half and half, but we'll see how we're feeling.
How do you guys feel about like the whole Brenthel like arrive and drive thing? Do you guys recommend it for everybody else?
Man, these guys have been awesome. What you know, initially we were hesitant. You know, it's a big deal, but Brenthel's made the experience smooth, and what a value this whole experience is. I mean, look at this truck we're driving. This thing is sick, and we're about to rip it through the Baja mountains and desert. So, I mean, how many times can you go to a sporting event, watch it on Friday, get out there and participate in it on Saturday? So, guys, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get out there and rip it. So, appreciate the guys at Brenthel for hooking this thing up for us.
We're here at mile 80, road crossing, just doing a visual checkpoint on some of our drivers coming through. We just got word that 237 has got a tire in the rack, so when he comes through, we're gonna re-rack his tire and keep him moving along the way. Make sure they get into the dirt. They need to get in the dirt.
You guys ready?